Very warm welcome to English with Dayakar. My name is Dayakar. In this class, we are going to learn about types of assertive sentences. In our previous classes, we learned that assertive sentences are also called declarative sentences. They are called assertive sentences or declarative sentences because they assert or declare some fact. These assertive sentences are two types. They are positive and negative. Let us learn about the examples for positive sentences and negative sentences. Let us examine different examples. Here I wrote down some examples for positive sentences, and here I wrote down some examples for negative sentences. The first example is he likes music. This is a positive sentence. Here in this positive sentence we have the subject he. After that we have the verb likes. After that we have object music. The structure here is subject plus verb 1 plus object. In negative sentence, the negative sentence for he likes music is he doesn't like music. He does not like music. Here in this sentence, we have a subject, we have an auxiliary verb, helping verb, and after helping verb we have not. So the structure of a negative sentence is subject plus auxiliary verb plus not plus, like that. You have to remember, you must remember one thing, that is, in negative statements we use words like not, never, no, nobody, no one else, etc. Let us examine another example for positive sentence. She is singing a song. She is singing a song. The structure here is, the subject here is she, and is an auxiliary verb, singing is a main verb, song is an object. She is singing a song. This sentence is in present continuous tense. Let us examine the negative sentence for she is singing a song. She is not singing a song. She is not singing a song. Here we have the subject, auxiliary verb, and after auxiliary verb we have the word not. The first word is she, the second word is, third word is not. Let us examine another sentence. He went to college. Here also, here we have simple past tense. He went to college. Subject plus, here we have subject plus verb 2 plus object. The negative sentence for he went to college is he did not go to college. Next example for positive sentence is they were watching TV. Negative sentence is they were not watching TV. I will help you. This is a positive statement. I will not help you. This is a negative sentence. So all these positive and negative sentences are very useful in our daily conversation. So practice You must practice all these sentences in your everyday life. So these sentences are very helpful. If you like this video, just tap on the like button. If you are a new subscriber, do subscribe and watch. I hope that this video is very helpful to you. I will come with more and more interesting videos. Until then, have a nice time. It's bye from me. Bye.